Hello and welcome back to the studies, my dear students. Let us start our exercise E from chapter 2. Complete these sentences with suitable words and each sentence with a full stop. The first one is done for you. Here given the picture of a teacher and sentence is our teacher teaches us. One word is missing in this sentence. That's why we have to fill that. The fox is a clever dash. Yes, the fox is a clever animal. This is the picture of a school and we have to complete it here. I go to school daily. Next is the baby is playing. What this baby is doing? This baby is playing. Yes, Rohan is in the bank. Here Rohan is in the bank. We are doing this in this way, and remember, don't forget to put the full stop here after finishing the sentence. Here the next one. I like to eat ice cream. After doing this, we mentioned here, we put here a full stop. Next is the tiger is our national animal. And the next is here picture is given with the parents. I love my parents. Yes, in this way, my dear students, we finished our chapter and let us do the next chapter that is very small and very easy. So, my dear students, now we are on chapter number 3, that is about the question. Here given some sentences are used to ask question. You can see here the downside. Few sentences are given here and they are asking something. That's why they are called the interrogative sentences. Read these sentences aloud. First one is, what are you doing? Second, do you like English? Can you drive a car? Are you happy today? Or how do you keep yourself fit? See, my dear students, whenever we ask a question, we mention this question mark at the end of our sentence. Here you can see everywhere all these group of having question mark at the end of the sentence. All questions end with a question mark. As a simple sentences end with a full stop, in the same way all questions end with a question mark. Here now there is a question. How do we know that this sentence is interrogative or simple? Yes, dear students, there are few words with which if sentences is started, you can easily know that the sentence is interrogative, like what, do, can, are, how, where, when, why, whom, whose. If you are having among these words in the beginning of the sentence, definitely the sentence is going to be interrogative. So let us do this exercise. Put a full stop or a question mark at the end of these sentences. First one is, thank you so much, madam. Here this was not given, but we mention it here because this is not a question mark. This is this is not a question. It's a simple sentence. This house is very beautiful. Yes, this sentence tells us that this house is very beautiful. So that's why we mention here this full stop. Now this, what do you do on Sunday? See, this group of words is asking something, that what do the particular person is doing on Sunday. So this is telling us that it's a question. Here we will mention the full stop. You can see one more thing. Here it is started with what. Next is, can we live without water? Yes, it's also a question. क्या हम बिना पानी के जीवित रह सकते हैं? So here also we will mention the full stop. Next one is, you cannot solve this problem. Yes, the Hindi meaning of this sentence is, you cannot solve this problem means आप इस समस्या को हल नहीं कर सकते हैं. So this is not asking a question. That's why we will mention here the full stop. The next is I do not use bad language. Here also full stop because it is not asking a question. Next, may I come in? Yes, this is a question. If you want to come in the class, you have to ask, may I come in? So this is a question and we will mention here this question mark. Have you ever been to an airport? Yes, this is also a question. So we will mention here this question mark. Next, when will your mother return home? This is also a question. आपकी मम्मी घर कब वापस आएंगी? So here also we will mention the full stop. There are few tigers left in India. भारत में कुछ ही बाघ शेष बचे हैं. So this is also a sentence and we mentioned here full stop. In remember the first word of the sentence. It should be what, do, can, are, how, is, does, when, whom, whose, whom, like this. So now you can revise this chapter at home, and from tomorrow onwards we will start our English second. Till then, have fun.